Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Disle, a student of the Bristol Institute batch 22. Today I will discuss on technical topic that is ICD-10. The ICD-10 or the International Classification of a Disease 10th revision is a system used worldwide to classify and code diseases, injuries and health condition. It is a standard developed by the World Health Organization to organize and report health information systematically. In medical coding, ICD-10 helps translate detailed description of a patient diagnosis into alphanumerical codes for easier tracking, reporting, and billing. Why is ICD-10 important? ICD-10 provides a universal language for healthcare professionals, enabling clear communication about diagnosis and condition across different countries and systems. It ensures consistency in medical documentation, improves patient care, and helps in analyzing public health trends. Additionally, accurate coding is critical for insurance billing and reimbursement as it justify the medical services provided. Structure of ICD-10. ICD-10 codes are alphanumerical with each code typically consisting of 3 to 7 characters. These codes are divided into two main parts, that is ICD-10 CM and ICD-10 PCS. ICD-10 CM is a clinical modification. This is used in the United States for diagnosis and documenting disease. It includes second is ICDS, ICD-10 PCS procedure coding system. This is specific to hospital settings in the US and is used to code procedures or treatment performed. How are ICD-10 codes organized? ICD-10 codes are divided into chapters based on body system or condition. For example, chapter 1, infectious and parasitic disease, code starting with A or B. Chapter 6, disease of the nervous system, code starting with G. And chapter 10, disease of the respiratory system, code starting with J. Each code provides detailed information about condition. For example, J45 909 unspecified asthma uncomplicated. Here how the code is structured. The first character indicates the category, that is a respiratory disease. The second and the third character number give more detail about the condition, and additional character 4th to 7th offer even more specificity such as severity or affected body part. Next is benefit of ICD-10, greater specificity. ICD-10 allow for more detailed documentation of disease and condition, improving patient care. Better data analysis. Public health agencies can analyze trends in disease and outcomes more accurately. Improve billing accuracy. Insurance companies can process claims more efficiently when codes accurately reflect the care provided. Enhanced research. Detailed coding supports medical research and the development of a better treatment. Challenges with ICD-10. Complexity with over 70,000 codes in ICD-10 CM. Learning and applying the system can be challenging for healthcare providers and coders. Next is transition issue. Moving from ICD-9 to ICD-10 required extensive training and system upgrades. Human error, mistakes in coding can lead to billing issues or denied claims. In conclusion, ICD 10 is a critical tool in modern healthcare, ensuring accurate communication, efficient billing, and better patient outcomes. While complex, is a detailed structure provided robust framework for tracking diseases and improving public health globally. Medical coders play a vital role in applying these codes correctly, making ICD-10 cornerstone of the healthcare system. This is all about the ICD 10. Thank you.